OptiSolve is an assessment service where we use our proprietary imaging technology to reveal microbial contamination on surfaces. Basically, we make the invisible visible.
Environmental cleaning has a huge role to play in preventing people from getting ill. What we do is we improve environmental cleaning and disinfection. Our service is configurable to just about any type of facility, from an office space all the way to an ICU ward in a hospital.
The way things are done today, people will use swabs, and the swabs will never pinpoint the exact location of the microbial contamination. We are able to do that, which then allows an environmental services manager or an infection prevention manager to adapt their processes for cleaning to make sure that those spots never get missed again.
Seneca College maintains a very high cleaning standard. We meet the APA Level 2 standard at all of our campuses. Our focus is on making sure that the environment is a clean environment for staff, students, employees, visitors. I found OptiSolve a valuable tool for us because it helps us to validate our great cleaning program that we have. We use the results of the OptiSolve audit as a teaching tool for custodial staff to show them not only how good of a job that we're doing, but areas that need more attention.
Our approach is proactive, preventative, with the ultimate goal of creating healthier, safer spaces.